I do remember growing up in the Highlands and just, walking for miles, time over hills, and just loving every moment of that. Wondering at times if you might been the first human to step on a particular part of, a remote hill somewhere. That was quite a fascinating thought as a youngster, and it also made you think, if you weren't, then who else has taken a step where you've stepped? I think that's one of the earliest thoughts I think I can remember thinking on the hills and connecting the land with the past and the people of the past. And I think the more involved I've been with history of all periods, then the more aware I become of, yeah, we have evidence of our past, of, those who've lived on the land and from the land and fought for that as well through history. That, yeah, there are still things there to be found. I think when you see the land with the history, that you see it in a very different way. It's no longer just a pretty scene. Yeah, you can connect with it on a very personal level, knowing something more about the history, and specifically conflict history, because I think we all have that in our past there somewhere.